In July 2025, Pakistan began integrating Chinese-built Z-10ME/P attack helicopters into its fleet, signaling a decisive move away from decades-old U.S.-origin AH-1F Cobras. Deliveries of the customized Z-10ME/P variant commenced late June, with confirmed sightings showing aircraft equipped with Pakistani insignia, dark camouflage patterns, and operational gear. The Z-10ME/P features 6 hardpoints capable of deploying up to 16 cm, 502 kg air-to-ground missiles boasting a 25 km range and fire-and-forget targeting. It also carries TY-90 air-to-air missiles specialized for helicopter dogfights, along with highly accurate GR-5 guided rockets. This robust armament expands Pakistan's attack helicopter lethality substantially compared to its previous platforms. This acquisition reflects a prolonged search for an effective replacement following unsuccessful procurement attempts involving U.S. and Turkish helicopters. Earlier trials dating back to 2015 with Chinese Z-10 models revealed engine power issues at high altitudes, prompting Pakistan to explore other options, including a 2018 contract for Turkish T-129 ATAK helicopters that fell through due to U.S. export restrictions on critical engines. The upgraded Z-10ME, equipped with a more powerful 1,500 kW WZ-9G engine, ultimately met Pakistan's demanding operational requirements, particularly for high-altitude and hot environments such as the Hindu Kush and Siachen. The Pakistani Z-10ME/P integrates several enhancements tailored to its environment and mission profile. Exhaust outlets have been repositioned upward, decreasing the helicopter's infrared signature by 63% and improving survivability against heat-seeking missiles. Its intake system includes a sand-filtered centrifugal design for desert operations. Upgraded firepower options enable versatile loadouts. The helicopter can carry loitering munitions like CM-501XA and SW-6 drones, enhancing standoff strike and reconnaissance capabilities. A new 30mm chain gun replaces the older 23mm weapon, tripling ammunition capacity and improving close support firepower. Protection systems are comprehensive, including modular ceramic and graphene armor on vital sections, crash-resistant pilot seats, and self-sealing fuel tanks. Defensive countermeasures feature radar and laser warning receivers, ultraviolet-based missile approach detectors, and directional infrared countermeasures, DAR-CM. Although Pakistan's current helicopters lack the mast-mounted millimeter-wave radar dome found on some export versions, the platform supports its future integration, which would provide 360-degree coverage and the ability to track multiple targets simultaneously. The advanced avionics suite incorporates helmet-mounted displays, thermal imaging, electro-optical targeting turrets, and fly-by-wire controls. Navigation systems combine Beidou's satellite positioning with inertial and Doppler radar inputs. Combat range extends from 800 to 1,120 km with a maximum endurance of 3.5 hours and operational ceilings reaching 6,000 meters. High-altitude testing demonstrated the helicopter's ability to carry full weapon loads with minimal engine performance loss, outperforming competitors like the AH-64E Apache in similar environments. Pakistan envisions the Z-10ME/P as a cornerstone of its evolving military doctrine, alongside Chinese VT for tanks, SH-15 howitzers, and J-10CE/JF-17 Block 3 fighters, all integrated into a networked command and control system with coordinated ISR assets. Exercises have demonstrated rapid strike capabilities facilitated by airborne early warning aircraft. The estimated procurement cost is around $15 million per helicopter, with operating costs roughly half that of the AH-64E. An initial batch of about 30 units is expected to form a dedicated attack helicopter regiment. India has responded to Pakistan's modernization by reinforcing its border helicopter deployments with AH-64Es and intensifying fighter patrols. While the Apache offers superior armor and payload, Pakistan's Z-10ME/P brings asymmetric advantages such as long-range loitering weapons and integrated air-to-air missile defense, potentially altering aerial dynamics in contested regions like Ladakh and Kashmir. For China, the Z-10ME's export to Pakistan represents a milestone in promoting indigenous rotary-wing platforms on the global stage. Displayed at major defense expos in 2024, the helicopter is positioned as a competitive alternative to Western and Russian offerings. Alongside the Z-10ME, China is advancing sales of stealth fighters and submarines to Pakistan, bolstering a strategic defense partnership. Future upgrades may include radar system additions, enhanced ISR collaboration with UAVs, and possible co-production ventures, potentially expanding the helicopter's footprint in emerging markets seeking non-Western military technology.